Today, I'm going to introduce you to chia seeds. Chia seeds are a tiny nutritional powerhouse that's revolutionized the health and wellness industry. From its ancient roots to its impressive nutritional profile, let's take a closer look at why you should add chia seeds to your diet. Chia seeds, Salvia hispanica, are the edible seeds that have been loved for centuries. These tiny seeds are packed with powerful nutrients that can improve your overall health. The first and most important nutrient that chia seeds are known for is fiber. Chia seeds are the leading source of fiber at 10 grams per ounce. Fiber plays an important role in digestive health. It promotes regularity, prevents constipation, and helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Chia seeds also contain omega-3 fats, which are important for heart health. Omega-3 fats help reduce inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and improves overall cardiovascular function. Minerals: chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and iron, which are essential minerals for bone health. Calcium helps with muscle function, magnesium helps with nerve transmission, and iron helps with oxygen transport. Health benefits: chia seeds have an impressive nutritional profile that translates into many health benefits. Let's look at some of the main ways these small seeds can improve your health. Weight management. Chia seeds are an excellent weight management tool. The high fiber content in chia seeds helps you feel fuller for longer and reduce cravings. This naturally reduces your calorie intake and helps you achieve your weight loss goals. Chia seeds are a great choice for heart health, as we mentioned earlier. They contain omega fatty acids, which are essential for keeping your heart healthy. Omega-3 fatty acids help lower your blood pressure, triglycerides, and heart disease risk. Like this video so far? Look down, click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and give it a thumbs up. Chia seeds also help keep your blood sugar levels in check. Their fiber helps slow down sugar absorption into your bloodstream, which helps prevent spikes and crashes. This is especially important for people with diabetes or pre-diabetes. On the other hand, bone health is also a big benefit of chia seeds. They contain a lot of calcium and magnesium, as well as phosphorus. These minerals help to keep your bones and teeth strong, which helps to reduce the risk of bone loss and fractures. Eating chia seeds is a great way to improve your overall health and well-being. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants which help fight against damaging free radicals in your body. They protect cells from harm, reduce inflammation, and may even help prevent chronic diseases. Chia seeds have a great nutritional profile and a wide range of health benefits. Here are a few easy and practical ways to incorporate them into your diet. Make smoothies with chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great addition to any smoothie recipe. They add fiber, protein, and healthy fats to your smoothies. Just add a teaspoon or two to your favorite recipe and enjoy. Adding chia seeds to yogurt is a great way to get a nutritious snack that's packed with protein. Mix them with your favorite fruit and honey for a delicious treat. Add them to oatmeal to give it a nutty taste and boost its nutritional value. You can also add chia seeds to baked goods to give them a unique texture and nutritional boost. You can add them to a muffin, pancake, or cookie to give them a healthy twist. Chia seeds are versatile and can be used in both savory and sweet dishes. To avoid digestive issues, start with a small amount of chia seeds and increase gradually as your body adapts. In conclusion, chia seeds are known as a superfood because of their small size. They are packed with nutrients and have a wide range of health benefits. Adding chia seeds to your diet is an easy and effective way to improve your overall health. Thanks for watching.